Your friendly neighborhood Jesus freak is your friendly neighborhood retro freak again. I think someone else is interested in what I got too. Hey, they actually included a power cable. Not that I needed one. Alright, there's nothing in the back. Now, I don't have any Macintosh monitors, so I'm going to have to plug this in. This works with my other Macintosh, so I'm hoping it works here. Little furball's interested. Now, I will be doing a little surgery on this once I've got it working, provided it works, which supposedly it does. All right. Steve Wozniak's Apple desktop bus. All right. Here is the moment of truth, or as they call it, the smoke test. Well, that's a sign of life. That a little less so. Just to say something. And a Vulcan nerve pinch and should hear the same sound again. So what might be wrong is my display. Could be it's outputting a resolution it can't handle or something. I wouldn't be able to know. So I found some dip switch settings for my dongle, and the image looks shifted up, but okay, yep, the image is shifted up. Okay. All right. There we go. You may have noticed I was kind of loath to actually search around the computer much, and this was for security reasons. I don't have OS reinstallation disks right now. I have someone's gonna send me some, as well as some software for a card that I have, and haven't inserted into the machine yet, and which was why I bought it. So far everything works. Everything works fine, and I'm not going to do much with it right now. But as they say, third time's a charm. So we got a live one, and I'm gonna, when I've got the stuff I need, I'll be making another video. So stay tuned. Jesus freak out.